how to pitch innovation even to those who know nothing about it and who don't like progress. Technical terms, ecological, political, and ethical issues come to block many projects driven by progress. The question is, will you answer it with wisdom or will you ignore them? My name is Farzad Felezi, and I'm a goldsmith of verb. I help you shape your words to measure, to make real jewelry with to seduce your audience. When Mark Agoni called me to introduce the Smart Summit, even to Reunion Island, he knew that, like him, I love everything that is good for people and for nature. He told me, Farzad, you're going to turn their brain over. And I said, okay, so let's start by going to see what's going on in their hearts. We will see that what are the pitfalls to avoid and the keys to wisdom so that the digital technologies of artificial intelligence and blockchains are heard and adopted by your audience with a positive and peaceful influence for humanity and for the planet. The whole workshop will be sent to you in French and in English. Check the link below. And remember that last question. What is the most important for us? Is it wisdom or is it the lust?